Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make images move in CapCut. So here I've already imported an image to my CapCut, and to make it move, you can easily just add or using keyframes. Here I'm going to add two keyframes at the start and also the end, and at the end of the image or the second keyframe here I'm going to rotate the image. So I'm going to make it spin like this. Okay, just turn it like this. Okay, and then after that here I'm also going to make it small, the size. Okay, so it is done, and now the result, the image will move like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.